US higher. The biggest stimulation center the whole of Africa. Hoha, Volta region, US. A stimulation center as a theater.
Yeah.
Go hospital like maybe I surgeries in some machines in now. The whole of Africa, school what the biggest no US. Volta region.
I see no a year Juma say.
And it's an idea practicals. Bisa voice of AAN. Or my guys a daughter of pharmacy guy.
Yeah.
And an idea, even voice of AAN cry baby in school. And I'm also part of the School of Pharmacy now, so because that's where I'm doing my postgraduate. The building or School of Pharmacy, it was get funded beauty and Akufado. And the investment that Akufado here, easy. And easy, just that me microphone no, me name.
Okay.
I was a former about the Magana and Sam TV, so my home is like video. No, subscribe to the channel, not turn on notifications, and be a videos of this nature bar. Also, Sabit Maccabi. Now, watch your comment section with your mind, sir. Now, another day, I also free said, so called voter region. Government workers on voter region, more health, or just a winning treasure draw. More hospitals I can see over voter region, hospitals in Kitwa over voter region. Treasure draw. If you see 14 months in Chomoka, if you say 13 months in Chomoka, if you say 10 months in Chomoka, allowances I am farmer, security personnel issue, government workers in issue, nurses issue, teachers issue, doctors issue. I feel more out of Bekasa. No master Momo Kenya, so my friend Addo. How do you? Almost a Tamaniru and another Dunko Kufado, no, my come and the woman. Almost a Tamaniru and another Dunko Kufado, Nasebi, or Mom at all. So, what your mom call school you has, and no mom call school HTU, and no mom call school at this schools over voter region. Sabi Omsen and Addo, Momo Kwansudi, Naka Momo Chilomo, PM. And you know, say you almost have to renting. And then I'm say, see, again, I'm not a wide. Almost Korea, so I'm complain, say, pan say, a almost pay quiet farmer, tea, be braina, see, I'm off so air falling in love. And Pana no more for so cheap. The Bimo components compare Roman sisters. There's some more yesterday, a mamma, my dinner, mamma, phone can't you adjourn the money, my a butcher Ghana miner, Sabi, almost to me, sisters in Manini, because I come back home and to my force create become virginity by force. Bako from and also keeping the virginity for over 25 years. It's a era John Dramani Mahama Mumunti, a Komukuno into a breaky. Or maybe be a breaking in the quadriform embassies. Ade. The Brina become virginity at a 200 cities. And no more framing. And maybe more from Temo record my bomb again from Minamuti. Almost a month found. Na doctor I first nurse penny bema ba ko frame na wo chichim kwan nurse for be complete obi to breaking vetin ko 200 cedis because so am from ko 200 na dey obi di kura kwa na se do obanu odebanu kwadu owu kwa mpunu kwa no oni bi see am no ka so ba voter region na be ka ezua wasum pa wasum so ba voter region na be ka ezawa ha o ha be police case. This should tell you what said you were John Domani Mahama and Sam George and a other members some count said it's why he will vote region. See, our doctors and some mobile compound, Omunia motivation being for patients. Next for the compo mom, one some motive say, and what then compo muni become Munia is confront to the Numania more than their patients. Ya Rahusam, any bresam ya, and somewhere near Yapa. But I make a Sanche, Mummy video number.
Best 6 months, Adentia, Abain Jomuka. Allowances out, they have already agreed on. Say, when Mune allowances now buying says Abain Jomuno, Kilantia. And to Kilantia, and there, almost on my 6 months. Ni.
I think say MP ne Kasarana or can be say, Brana MPP was near the Ghana compared to go. And Burkina, but he say no Ghana never say they compare.
Would you remember?
Yeah, say.
Remember. Now, on say, when there is a lot of things, there are a lot of people somewhere now. You realize that the quality of the people sometimes it decreases.
Yeah.
And now most of the time people say you per quality over quantity. So okoto watching na 2 jimia uto 5 na amount bebre. Ba okoto na basmati rice 5 cents ebe kitikiti to ebi. But who say basmati no better than 2 jimia any other person will go and buy. And this is for because omunabes el parliament Addo so sa no. Ukoma chaff bebre jimmy for bebre nam. Sorry for my choice of word. Auntie, what do you say?
I think say te no monte amemu na se ana se de sua no mu nsua de.
NDC for one of trace back when he say NDC ni ennim mpo a onji tum da say onim. Na obia anyone who is not teachable. Okay? Who nim bibi. Instead say obe hambo obe
mene ba ko kasa wo asaman mu honom baabi atense ne dire de be o se kire se sika o de beto ne gas asa ne light bill krontimi ntua ne dan cancel aso 11 good month in the payment by.
Yes. Enti eba ne sa almost strategize and say bema be pena or be pinin tem na wa packing in yama akotena bema ninjin.
Yeah.
So that rent there on chebi. Prepaid on chebi, light bill kind of saying water bill on chebi.
Yeah.
But the person is not happy. Next she's not happy with the fact say wako training 3 years 4 years after start training nano, okay, usambe rotation 1 year now bresa na amount employment after now be on hook up before being able to eat.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But that who cause am? Neti uye MP now ube jina next ni be him say Ghana is better off this year. One share na next ni no ko bold na say na shiwa so. Right? Now you move away from air nurses da. Unim say check cocoa farmers na. Cocoa farmers. Muye campaign am catch cocoa farmers na say akufaro neti modern. Akufaro
na the voice my member otukuno I can't say I think say 2580 no so chain 3600 no.
Yeah. Right? Say NDC mathematics. What him say? Asema otukuno kai no. Mathematically correct.
Yeah.
But the only way correct in say who the minus bebe in him. When you say when you are going to the negatives, it is assumed say minus 2,500 higher than minus 3,600. Now when you say NDC 40, we be left. And see, instead oko bush ni mu. And see oko bush ni mu nyina no. Na adwene nyina say left nyama akwa na okoka ho. But on him say we are talking about the positive side of the plane. From 0 there, you will reach 2,500 before reaching 3,600. Yeah. Which means that 3,600 is greater than 2,500.
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, shall be to say, Otokono no catch say 2,500 bigger than 3,600. Then you must question his PhD. Otokono also a PhD holder. Now, me postgraduate meaning say it's not a one-day wonder to get a PhD. A brave woman easy. A boot for boot. They be me sorry biano. Last time he draw me to say, I'm learning about depression. Okay, depression. My project work around depression. Okay, my thesis no. Now, as the more I am working on that topic, the more depressing myself I'm become. The more depressed I'm becoming. The more depressed I'm becoming. Say, and yet easy to do your postgraduate. And the talk on also you say a friend of Singapore in the Sinti. Okay. Now
that we can say why they say as a annuity.
Assembly cranium, right?
Yeah.
And Sani Pasano, you have every right to question any PhD.
Yeah.
Now you go into the bush. Number one, farmer be framing. Now me wo ni screen recording. I mean, in the voice note wo.
Yeah.
And or say, sa otoko no engagement no. Dodo na I call no munye farmers o. NDC 4 branch executives. Any of police station agents. As you occur cocoa farming areas now my bomb and they got na bush nim. Okay, now I catch room. And this very farmer no didn't know say I didn't planting. Okay, so now I coffee or free foam and all coffee and also toko no aba nkofo kasa nkofo kama dwe na onsu ko gina ho. And the original ho na join news for the microphone everything gina na nim say oh yes see mo amuti ha no mo ti ase asema aban kan mo ti ase e na farmer no see oh debut on the on ti hwe ase e dan obeka say 2500 no eso say 3600 or wana ma so nimu right or say e ka dan ka krofo no bruno yes because he is making a government now popular adia o maskedo say after the program no bia ko singi praises but when kwande o kanu krenenti ya so ne mu o bus ne mu ho right and you are telling me say with ubet na ko jina cocoa farmer ni maka cheni say Ghana is better off say inflation ever form obehwe asum now yesterday the worst aspect in say we are hearing say sa cocoa price how much about 2500 mpono they are still thinking of reducing it further.
Yeah. I think say cocoa ni bi so kan say eno kra na omo te so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Sa 2500 no. Yan share ya omsambe te so akobeye 1000 3004. Adentia omusi they want us to be at the same level as Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast for the omuton 1020. Ghana yeah 2500 ne dos do. Ubisa who say yes NDC for no. That is the reason of an NDC person. And you understand why it is so. NDC need ye let us keep you in poverty. Let's keep you in poverty for 3 years. And in the 4th year election year, we'll come and give you something small to make you think, say, your life has gotten better.
Yeah.
So that you go and vote for them again. And you understand why they don't want cocoa farmers to be any better than they are. Kai say under Akufo-Addo no cocoa farmers, ya momoa ye the even pension scheme e di breomo.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo no. Pension scheme so that we a farmer and say you be going to the farm where the 60 years 65 years still la uko from aden. Akufo-Addo said a time should come you too you can rest like the way teachers rest, the way nurses rest, go on pension, the way judges lawyers ni na eko pension usubetimi akosa. Bisami say eneno are they paying it? Are they paying Sasika and say omufan tuho SCMA cocoa for as omu pension scan? Debbie. Right? And to almost say agricultural sector, poto, baby poto, ewo. Na ye cocoa affecting cashew farmers, cashew no so no. That is kind of so who right?
Yeah.
And that is the kind of government we are faced with right now. There is no single sector, say Ghana, that you will say the incompetence of Aban with John Dramani Mama, His Excellency, now buying is not being fought. There's no single sector. Call universities, could be so I'm say ice cream no mejida.
Oh, say
ice cream
o critic company for bit my ice cream, they supply away.
And you're in them. When in them na university for mubufuba. One now catch me say inflation, okay, about say 3% to 3.8%. Now my school no, me school fees.
Yeah.
Ya took by over 25%.
Wow.
Yes, and assignment so yeah, so what are you coming to tell me say inflation